there, gang. If it's you and it's me, it must be time for a COVID update on Tom ATV. So, it's day 5, and I tested positive again this morning. Rhonda May still negative and in great spirits and hiding from me as much as you can. So I'm out of the pool deck, me and Conor McGregor. Connor's right there. Hey, Connor. And, so today, to add to the fun, I lost my sense of taste and smell. So Rhonda made chocolate chip cookies. And I'm sure they're awesome, but you can't smell them, and I can't taste them. It's just kind of like a mushy texture in your mouth. I mean, there's no taste. Right? So then I tried an orange. Can't taste that. My sister Nancy told me to try a jalapeno, but I think they're just being mean. You know, take a bite out of a lawn, see if that you can taste that, So I don't know. So it's been rough. Day 5, the first 3 days, I'm just a mess. So I felt a little better yesterday and about the same today. But man, my tests come back so positive so fast that I got this good. So so we're just waiting it out, I guess. Once I get a negative test, a couple of negative tests, and I'll be able to, put a mask on and maybe venture out somewhere. But this is like, just chilling until we do something. So, I mean, it's killing me not to be out there. There's so much stuff going on at the parks. I saw there's some new fixtures up at Halloween Horror Nights. I would have shown you that. I just can't do anything. So I'll do what I can. I have a video coming out. I think I'll shoot it tomorrow. It's comparing the old Happily Ever After to the new Enchantment fireworks at Disney. So I think you'll be very interested in the math that I did on why Disney made the change. Very interesting video. That's coming tomorrow. You can see both fireworks shows in their entirety. And I'll do the math for you on all the things they did to the new one. And you can just make your mind up about whether Disney cheaped out or not. So that's it. I'll let you know when I'm out of the woods here. But just thought you need a little update. I'm fine. It's gonna be good. It's just we just gotta get through it. So we'll see you next time. Where else would you rather be than getting a COVID update on Tom ATV?